In this video, I'll guide you through the process of uninstalling Valorant. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. First, make sure Valorant is closed if it's open. Once that's done, you'll need to exit the Riot Client. To do this, go to the bottom right corner of your screen, click the arrow, find the Riot Client icon, right-click it, and select Exit. It's important to close both Valorant and the Riot Client to avoid any errors during the uninstallation. Now, head to the bottom left corner and click the search button. Type Add or Remove Programs and open the app that appears at the top. Once it's open, use the search bar within the app and type Riot. A list of applications will show up. For me, it's just Valorant, but you might see more. Select the application, then click Uninstall, and confirm by clicking Uninstall again. The uninstallation will start, and once completed, Valorant will be removed. Next, to fully remove Valorant from your PC, I recommend deleting its leftover files. Open File Explorer and go to the Riot Games folder where you installed Valorant. For me, it's under Local Disk C Riot Games. Find the Valorant folder, right-click it, and choose Delete. You can also clear additional files by pressing the search button in the bottom left corner again. Type Run and open the Run app. In the Run window, type %localappdata% and press Enter. This will open a folder where you'll find another Valorant folder. Right-click it and click Delete. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Valorant and removed all related files. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And I'll see you